Hello, I'm here to tell you about Introducing Drum Kit, the perfect book for anyone interested in learning how to play the drums. Introducing Drum Kit takes you from the very beginning. It gives you all the information you need about rhythm, technique and drum notation to get you going straight away. The book contains play-along pieces recorded by a great studio band, solos, duets and exercises, and is the best possible preparation for graded exams, taking you from the very start up to grade 1. Introducing Drum Kit from Trinity College London is used by teachers and learners all over the world. It's brilliant fun and the perfect start to your life as a drummer.